All right, in this video, I want to show you how you could add a 3-point lighting kit and render an image. Okay, so to start, we're going to need to add a plane. So that's the plane there, and make the plane bigger. I'm just making a 10 by 10 height and width. Now arrange your object in your scene. All right, so it's easy to add add a 3-point light kit. So you could just go to Render, Light Presets, and there's already a preset for 3-point lights. So you can see that the lighting is in the scene. If you go over to Objects, you'll see this 3-point light system here. It has a backlight, a fill light, and a key light. So you could edit that if you like. So the next step is we're going to create a V-ray render. Okay, so if you right-click on Renders and go to Create V-ray render, you'll see that the V-ray render shows up in the Explorer, and you could also see there's a bunch of settings on the right. We're going to leave this the way it is, standard in JPEG, and also right-click on Passes and create a pass. So you have a custom pass. In the custom pass, we're going to get back to this, actually. So we want to render this view. So we're going to add we're going to create a view camera. So the camera now just took the same angle as this view right here. So then we could just go up to perspective cameras and then switch to the camera perspective. So now if you move this, this is the camera view. So you want to select in the renderer that the new V-ray render, and also the new camera that you just found. So notice it didn't show up. Sometimes you actually have to click on the camera to kind of remind Clara that it's there, and then I'll go back to custom pass, and you'll see under camera, now the camera perspective is right there. All right, we could call this first one, call this file name robot. And the format is JPEG, so you can just type in JPG. And the V-ray render, okay, so we already did this. And all right, so now we're ready to go. We just right-click on Custom Pass, and I think I gotta move this out of the way. I'm going to actually move up this whole thing so you can see this better. So right-click on Custom Pass and go to Render this pass. Notice in the bottom here, you'll see that it says Rendering Current Pass. Here, while this is rendering, let me move this. It's blocking it. Okay, great. I thought that would exit that spot, but it didn't. Anyway, it's completed. And also you'll see it says up here, File Export Ready. So if you click on Download, you'll see your render there. So now you can right-click and save the image. Save it wherever you like. You can put it right in Downloads. And then, of course, you're ready to upload this to the Google Classroom.